Hello everyone, this is Nahid from West Carbo Early On team. Today we will be making Play-Doh with the ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen. Let's have a look what we need. So here we have flour, salt, water, cooking oil, and lime juice, and the bottle one, which any that you have available, and food color. So we're going to mix in a pot. Here I have a pot. I'm going to put everything in the pot. So 1 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of salt. And oil, 1 tablespoon. I have fresh lime juice. We will 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. And now I need 1 cup of water. Alright, so I'm going to put few drops of food color and mix it to see how the colors comes. Mixing. I think it looks good. Okay, mix everything. Now I need to cook it on the stove. Here I'm cooking this mixture on the medium heat. I have to keep stirring, and I have to cook until it gets thick and becomes like a dough. Here, after cooking few minutes, you can see it looks like dough. So I'm going to turn off the stove and wait few more minutes, so let it cool down, and then we will knead it. Now it's cooled down a little bit. I'm going to bring it on the counter. Okay, everything. And knead the dough. So here I have been kneading this Play-Doh for a few minutes, and now it's very soft and smooth. Okay? And it's ready. So we can store this Play-Doh in a Ziploc bag here, or an airtight container like this. Oh, here I have the pink one that I made it earlier. So this Play-Doh will stay fresh at a room temperature for a few days or in the fridge for longer. I hope you will try making it at home, and see you next time. Bye.